Okay, so we are going to configure Cura and Octoprint so we can have slicer thumbnails in Octoprint. That will be a great feature, and let's do this. So, first thing we want to do here, we want to hop into the Octoprint server, and then we want to go to the settings icon, plugin manager, get more, and we go slicer thumbnails right here, install, and let's wait for this to install here. We hit close and restart now. Proceed. Make sure you don't have any prints running or this will stop them. Okay, now we're just gonna close that here. And now we're just gonna go into Ultimaker Cura here. Wait for this to load up. Here we go. We're going to go to extensions, post processing, modify G-code, and we're gonna add a script, and that script is gonna be create thumbnail. So there we have our script here, but 32 pixels for Octoprint is pretty small, so we're just gonna go put a 0 behind them. Now just hit close, and yeah. So now to check that we got this, we're gonna go download, or you can go to downloads and you can put any file you want in here. And if this little icon shows up and you click on it, it says create a thumbnail, then you got it working. So we're gonna go to Octoprint. We're gonna reload now. So now that the slicer thumbnails is installed on Octoprint, we can go to settings again. We're gonna get slicer thumbnails. We're gonna go use inline thumbnails, scale image. I'm just gonna put this down to 40%. And then position inline image to the left. You click line image, you press, and then you can select that so it's left. And set file list height, that's 306 pixels, and enable rescan all files when pressing refresh in the file list. So there we go, we press save. Should save here, and there, as you can see here, there's some of them, not that much. Oh, there's another one. So that's how you get thumbnails in Ultimaker Cura to Octoprint.